a cat today. Wow. She's so nice to feed the cat. I bought crown. Very nice. How do I open it? Oh my god. It smells so bad. Oh my god. Okay, got spoons, container, let me see. Oh my god, that smells so bad! It smells so bad. Help. Is that enough? Wait, how much you need to put again? I forgot! I have a little brain. Can you say again? Never mind. Okay. No, I got it already. No, I got it. It's okay. Oh my. Why? Beautiful, but in Malay. I'm gonna vomit it right now. In my opinion, if I'm a cat, I would not do that. How do I close this thing? What the hell? How do I close this thing? How do I close this thing? Oh, there we go. Wow. Vitamin A. This is for cats. It's so cute. Look at that. Okay. Something on. I got wet food too. A lot. Too much. That song is greedy! Oh my god. This is for the wet food. How do I make this? Okay. I think I'll get pink today. This is fresh white meat, tuna, and salmon flakes. Okay, I'll get that. That song is greedy! Oh my god. I already know that song is greedy. Oh my god, never mind. I'm gonna get up now. Oh my god. Okay. I wonder if the cat like this cat food. Because I think they will like because there's fish inside. So yeah. Also some wet food behind me. I got some. Yeah, the leaf very long. I'm gonna use the other leaf. Oh my god!
吓到了，看到了，直接吓到了。
There's like random people that come out the leaf. I was like, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, don't tell me you saw that. Also look. It was like so scary, they come out of nowhere. Seriously. Oh my god. I feel like the cat will like it. I'll see. He will like it because in my opinion, this has got fish inside. There's literally fish. I don't even know, but I'm gonna just video. Still see the cat reaction. This way. I went the other way. I'm so excited to see the cat reaction. Oh my god. Oh, what the hell is it? Oh my god, okay. I'm in the road right now. Should I run? No, I shouldn't run. I've got a food. I think it's spoiled. I don't know. What? Run a bit. The cat's not there. Oh my god. Oh my god. So offended. Let's find the cat right now. Where's the cat? Where the cat has to? Moody! Baby! Where are you? I think she's under the cars. Can I check under? Or should I? Like, should I? Like, she's literally missing. What's her name? Yeah, okay. Oh my god. So nice.